It's Matt, the Funnel Builder guy. Just doing a quick video. A lot of people are wondering if anyone is doing done-for-you design services on the HBA Funnel Builder platform. The answer is yes, I do. A few other people do, but I don't actually have a website. I've done over 150 funnel jobs, and the reason why is I usually work on a referral basis. So I recently had a lot of people ask me about my services and my rates, so I decided to make this page to take away some of the mystery and explain some of the services that I do offer. So first off, if you guys are on this page or watching this video, you can check out my portfolio by checking the top navigation here, clicking portfolio. And this is going to take you down to about a 15-minute video, which it shows a lot of projects that I've done. I've done a lot more than in this video. I'm going to show you some as well in this video. But first off, let me go back up to show you guys the services. The first thing I offer is tech support. I do train on the HBA Funnel Builder platform on Fridays. If you're a premium member, I do train on the Funnel Builder tool. So if you have any tech questions, you can bring them there. If you can't get on that call or you need something expedited to fix an issue with your website, your membership site, your email deliverability, I do offer tech services you guys can book. And also, if you're joining HBA, you want to get set up in all the funnels that they offer and lead magnets they offer, I do offer the HBA Funnel Builder setup, which does include your DMARC email and your autoresponders, so you can make sure you get your emails delivered. So that is the first service. Now, design-wise, I do offer a couple options. The first option is self-branded funnels or lead magnet funnels, which is pretty much the main job I've been doing lately. And that service is $200, and I will create you a few page websites that is a custom branded funnel toward your brand. I'm going to show you guys a couple examples that I've done recently. This is some of the work I've done for Nick Romani. He has a custom link pages with his graphic in the background. He also wanted a bridge funnel and a capture funnel. This is a click pop opt, and it goes into a bridge page. Also did a few pages. So one thing I will say about this service is it does cover 4 hours of design work, which can be anywhere between three to 5 pages. And it's usually for small projects for lead magnet appointment funnels, quick webinar funnels, mainly just to get the lead. And pretty much this is what most people have been coming to me lately for. This is a page I'm working on for Mom Elizabeth. It's a capture page with a video on it. It's a click pop opt, and also a thank you page here. And I got to get a couple more assets because this is actually something I'm actually working on right now. This is a lead magnet I did for Jay Johnson. Jay Johnson is someone that produces a lot of volume in network marketing. You wanted to have a lead magnet for his travel offer that he can collect leads to break the ice before sending him over to the opportunity, and giving him a little bit of a treat of what's in the store and showing him some of the deals with this travel opportunity, as well as some training on how he actually promotes the opportunity in this training. Next up, this is a page I did for Nelson. This is a custom branded page for his brand. All right. You can opt in to get the information, get access to the bonuses he has, the offer, and a few other pages that are involved in this funnel. This one is the Magical Morning Formula. This is the one I did for HBA when they launched the Magical Morning Formula. And the cool thing is when they launched, it did about 768 sales of that product. When they launched, and a lot of people are using this lead magnet I did provide for the community. There is a few different versions of that, and I'm happy to be a part of that. And then also what we offer, custom funnel projects. This is basically for anyone that has anything more than just a lead magnet. You might need to sell a product. You might need to do an appointment booking funnel. You might want to have a membership area that has several training videos in the back. You might want to do an e-commerce store. You might have an upsell, downsell. Usually this takes a little more time to do these types of funnels, and the rate is $300 for that. Includes 6 hours of labor. One thing I will say is I'm very fast in the builder, so these hours do go a long ways. And then if it takes any more time to finish that project, they're billed out $40 an hour additional for the services. I'm going to show you guys some of the projects that I've done recently. This is a traditional website or a homepage funnel I did for Kim. Very nice looking. Compared to what he was using, and this is definitely miles ahead, and he's already benefiting from just having this beautiful site. It's actually getting a lot more conversions in this opportunity. This is a page I did for Tony Taylor. He's one of the top 3% podcasters. He has a high ticket course that he offers on this platform. The cool thing about this is he told me that he runs his host studio, an office building, based on the sales he gets from this funnel membership area that we did design for him. This is a long sales copy page, and I believe this one was slightly more than the $300. Next up is a page I did for Gio Gianta. This is an e-commerce store platform where he sells his advertising services. This is probably like 20 to 30 pages for this project here. He has multiple different options, and he's using the shopping cart system that comes with the Funnel Builder to pull this off to offer each one of these individual services. This is a page I did for Christian for his band. And all these pages are conversion focused. They're not actually websites, you know the ones that look like websites. The whole idea is to get the lead or offer something of value in exchange for the information so they continue to market to. Jay Johnson, I do a lot of work with him. This is a team page he did. Now, the cool thing about this page here is his people can actually come here and replicate this system by simply putting in their username. And what's going to happen here is all the links on the page will inject to their username. Next thing, this is a page I did for a nonprofit. Holly Porter, she's one of my long-term clients, and she runs her whole nonprofit website through the HBA Funnel Builder tool. And actually, I work with a couple nonprofits. This one here is another site I did for Jay, where he is a retail coffee site where he sells the product itself. He mails it out, and this is a beautiful design. He has different options there and what it's all about. And they can get samples, or they can order a full box. You can do that in the platform. This is a barbershop website that I did. Now, the next thing here is some people need continual work, or they're team leaders. We do offer a VIP yearly client package. This basically gets a lot more hours for a lower rate. This is mainly for people that know they're going to be doing a lot of different pages throughout the year, but mostly people that take advantage of this package are those who have teams and they're offering done-for-you setups. I take care of it without any tech headache for any of their new people. They sign up, they say, listen, go to Matt, he's going to set you up on your platform. And the cool thing is I allow them to mark up the services. So basically for a funnel setup and an email setup, it would probably cost about $100. And at this rate, they're getting it at like 60. So if they charge my rate, you can actually recover some of this cost in hiring me out. Also, we got miscellaneous services because not everyone needs a full website. They might need a part of a website. One of the services I offer is beautification. So if you already have a website that just doesn't look the way you want, we will go through and revamp, rebeautify your site to make it more streamlined and modern and conversion focused. This is an example. This is before. This page here, content's kind of spread out wide. It's really hard to read. And then we just came through and updated the site here to a more modern version, which we actually used this template base to become his entire website. And then finally, we offer a couple more services. If you are on another platform, like we know a lot of people are on NowSite. NowSite did some shady stuff. They got rid of their affiliate program. And a lot of people are stuck with their websites on NowSite. So one of the services I do offer is a rebuild service where I will rebuild your NowSite funnels over on the HBA platform if you're willing to make the switch. That service is inexpensive. It's for $150. And basically it's just 3 hours of work, and I'll go through and redesign as many pages as I can. They're simple pages. I can get through a lot. And usually this is going to be about 3 to 5 pages that are going to be remade on the platform. And also membership sites. Now, membership sites can be a headache to set up. So with this service, what I basically do is go through and map out your membership site and set up all the pages. And all you have to do is go inside of it and just drop in the content. This is an example of a membership site that I have for myself, where I have to drop in the content myself. This is going to be coming soon. Here's an example of one of my clients here. He has a silhouette course here, and it's all mapped out in the builder. And all he has to do is just start putting in this content, and he can release this course without having to worry about setting up the membership site, without having to worry about making the connections or membership levels. This service takes care of all of that. And that service is inexpensive as well. It's $199. So basically just individual pieces of a larger project if you want to do some of the work yourself. And then finally, we do offer a couple more services. One of them is coaching. I have a couple people that I do coach who wanted to use the Funnel Builder tool as good as I can. Maybe they might not get as good as me, but they might just need one-on-one support so they can finally start using the Funnel Builder tool without needing help. And that's what this coaching service is about. You're going to get access to 4 sessions or 5 sessions between 1 to 2 hours long, where we cover topics in the Funnel Builder tool. And the goal is to get you to a point where you can just create your own stuff for yourself. And you can actually get to the point where you're actually taking on client work. And then another thing that we do offer soon is explainer sizzle videos. These are little short videos you can put on your Facebook, you can put on your webinar page or your lead page. that entice people to submit their information to become a lead for whatever it is that you're selling. Another cool thing about this is I know that Kim did this one for him. He already did $3,000 his first day of using this video, inviting them to his community. Gio Gianta, he's had this video on his site for probably 2 years now. And I know that between his site and his affiliate offer that's connected to the site, he's done over $150,000 in commissions from having this video. So these videos are pretty cool. Okay, if you need them, right now, this is coming soon. Okay. So that's pretty much the deal of what I offer. You guys can send me a message if you have any questions. I will have a form on the website where you can submit an inquiry about what you want to do. If you need to talk before you can join. If any of these services are not available, they might be disabled depending on the workload. I can only take on so much work, and I do have a VA that can help me. But if we get overwhelmed, we do have to take down these offers. But if the color is purple, you can book the services. And of course, like I said, if you need to talk to me before you do, send me a message on Facebook or fill out the form below this video. So those are the services. If anyone's interested, definitely, I'd love to be able to help you guys create a unique design that's tailored just to you, that is yours alone, that can help you with your marketing. That's it, guys. Take care and bye for now.